Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve savings plans with Nationwide, full guide step by step clearly. Identify your current savings goals and financial needs. Analyze your current savings plan to assess its effectiveness. Visit the Nationwide website to explore available savings products. Review the different types of savings accounts offered by Nationwide. Consider factors like interest rates, fees, and account minimums. Determine which account aligns best with your savings goals. Use the online tools provided by Nationwide to estimate potential growth. Set up an online account with Nationwide for easier management. Automate your savings by scheduling regular transfers from your checking account. Take advantage of any employer-sponsored savings plans if available. Review your budget to identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Consider setting up an emergency fund if you haven't already. Research additional savings options like CDs or money market accounts. Evaluate any existing insurance policies with Nationwide for potential savings. Stay informed about promotions or bonuses offered by Nationwide. Regularly monitor your savings progress through the Nationwide online portal. Adjust your savings strategies as needed based on your financial situation. Consult with a Nationwide representative for personalized advice and strategies. Ensure that you regularly revisit your savings goals to ensure alignment with your life changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.